What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Trader Diaries. Welcome to a brand new video. I mentioned in the last video that we was looking to step the channel up a notch, and that is exactly what we have done. We have bought ourselves the cheapest CLA250 Mercedes-Benz AMG. I know it's not an AMG, but it's still an AMG spec in the UK. So it's the most expensive car that I've bought outright, but it is the cheapest in the UK. Now there's a reason why it's the cheapest in the UK, and I think you guys know as well. We'll get into that in a second. Today's video, we're obviously going to show you guys around the car, have a look at what damage there is to the car. I'm also going to give it a clean as well because it's filthy. You know, these cars that come from auctions, they're just absolutely riddled in dust. So we're going to give it a good wash. We'll come back, then we can get a better idea of the paintwork and what exactly this car needs doing. It needs quite a bit. Let's say that it is going to need a few pounds spent on it, especially in paint as well. So at this moment in time filming this, I've already taken the car down to the body shop for him to take a look. So he's got an idea of what parts I'm going to need to order, what parts he's going to need to paint, and so on. So that has now been done. We've got the car off of the truck, so we can get into it, see exactly what's what. Now, if you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and if you like the content, then don't forget to leave a massive thumbs up. There's plenty more to come. This is the start of the new direction we are going in with the channel. So yeah, plenty more of this sort of stuff to follow. Let's get into it. So here it is. It is a 2016 66 plate CLA 250. Now we look around the back first because there's not much damage at the back. Lovely colour as well. There is a little mark down here, a crack there rather. I don't know if you can see that. And it's poked out there, but obviously we can push that back in, and we'll try and order ourselves one of these. Come round to the side. It's got these lovely, I think they're, what are they? 17s or 18s? I think they're 18s. Yep. There's 18-inch AMG spec wheels on them. Now we come closer here. We've got some marking, some scratches there. You can see that line there. It's got a scuff down it. It's a slight, I don't know if you see, it's too sunny. Come along here, you can see the marks on this door here. So that's going to need to be, there's a little dent there as well. Come in here, you can see that there. That's going to need to be sorted first and foremost. The arch liner has come loose from the impact of the front. So we come around to the damage on the front here. You can see it's taken a bit of a whack, to say the least, on this corner here. So upon first inspection, we're going to need a new bumper. We're going to need a new bonnet. It's creased there. It's got a lovely mark there as well. The light as well. Now they're not cheap. That's LED high performance. So we're going to need one of them. The arch lining has completely come away, so we'll need to get a new one of them. Need a new wing as well. It's got some damage. This side door can be repaired, but we are going to need a new back door, as you can see there. It's got a nasty whack along here as well. See, there's a crease there that can be repaired. Like I said, I went to the paint shop. He had a look. He's told me what you can and can't do. So that's good. It's got this privacy glass all round apart from the fronts. Now, I don't know what's happened. If you look here, it runs all the way up there. There was a few scratches on the roof. Now I have buffed out the roof a little bit. It's come out a little bit better. We come around to this side. That's why I've got all this quite powdery stuff. So we're going to give the car a clean. You can't really see anything on there. There's that van. I'm trying out a new microphone as well, so you guys have to let me know if this is better quality. So have a look in the boot. Full of crap. Cigarette packets, cheap sports energy drinks. What's that? Aha. Can that be reused? No, it's got a crack there. We'll have to get a new one of them. Oh, there's the rest of that arch liner. Seen better days. Look under there. Nothing too exciting under there, more rubbish. Decent sized boot. Now, looking at the back. Got these red seat belts. It's a very nice touch. Got the red stitching on the seats. It's got this like Alcantara type cloth, which really does set it off nicely. Someone's put these red, I don't know what they are. Bit of trimming, so I'll probably be taking them out. It just makes it look a bit cheap. And yeah, let's go and have a look in the front. Let's get in. Before we get in, actually, them seats, absolutely lovely. For the red belts, look at that. At night these do light up, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of leaves and stuff in there. I don't know what has happened, whether they've hit a tree and the leaves from the tree have gone in. I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh. Now the mileage is just over 31,000, so it's not a lot of miles on the car, which is good. It's got Harman Kardon sound system in it. Let's make that. It's got Harman Kardon sound system in here, so that's pretty cool. It's got this multifunction steering wheel. It's got the red stitching in it. It does come with sat nav. It's got heated seats as well. Just there, parking sensors. It's got cruise control. Now, I've done my research. This was that trim stuff that I was talking about. What do you guys think? Do you think that looks good, or do you think it looks a bit tacky? I mean, it just pulls out, so it's not a problem. I'm not keen on it myself, but you know, everyone's got different taste. Now, what you'll probably notice with these as to the other CLAs is a majority of them come in automatic. This one is a manual, which I love because I love manual cars. You get that proper driving experience, whereas you don't necessarily get that with a automatic. I'm sure there are many people out there that do prefer automatics. Me personally, I do prefer a manual. Let's turn her on. Let's turn that off. Bonnet's open, we know that because the bonnet doesn't shut. All climate control, telephone, Bluetooth and so on. Memory card in there. Right, I think what we'll do is we'll give it a little rev. Just have a quick look under the bonnet. There's nothing too exciting going on under there, to be honest. Yeah. What we'll do now is we're going to give it a clean. Let's turn it off. Give it a clean now, and then we'll come back once it's all cleaned. Okay, so we've now given it a clean. It's come out a lot better. So a quick walk around. Obviously we've still got the dent hasn't magically gone, believe it or not. Doors come up a lot cleaner. Little mark there, little dent there, but that'll all be sorted out. Still got that there, that's fine. There's a little mark just there, but that'll be blended in anyway. Around the back here, it's all good. No real problems there. Just a bit there. There was some scratching on here, but I've managed to buff that out. That side's fine there, but it's a little bit. That'll just polish out there. That maybe not. See that a little bit better there. Goes all the way across. Again, there's a little dent there, but that's repairable. That wing's fine. So yeah, there is our latest project, guys. Okay, so there we have it. That is the new project on the channel. Do let me know what you guys think of the new project. Do you think it's a good purchase? Obviously, I'm not going to go into numbers just yet. I'll do that at the end. But it is a big jump to the sort of vehicles that we was buying before, price-wise. So yeah, this kind of thing is new. We're in sort of a different level of the rebuild. The full process behind it was, you know, we're doing this with say a £2,000 car. By the time you sell it, you make £300–400, all being well. But why not make a little bit more? You know, we're just doing the same amount of work. You know, it's doable, and obviously this is a bit of a test. So fingers crossed we come out all right with it, and we can continue to buy, you know, more expensive cars, more expensive than what we was buying previously. Don't get me wrong, we will still be, you know, whatever comes our way, we're not going to turn it down. But looking forwards, this is the sort of thing that I want this channel to grow on. So if you're new, do hit that subscribe button, and if you've enjoyed today's video, do leave the thumbs up. Join me in the next video where we begin to strip down the CLA. Until next time, guys, take it easy. I'll catch you very soon in the next one. Peace.